Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you Viva Vault tutorial. Let's dive in. Viva Vault is a cloud-based content and data management platform built for highly regulated industries like pharmaceuticals, biotech and life sciences. It helps teams manage critical trials, regulatory documents, quality control, safety data and even marketing materials, all in one centralized secure environment. No more scattered spreadsheets or endless email threads. Vault offers industry-specific applications across areas like clinical, eTMF, CTMS, study startup, regulatory, submission-ready content, RIM, quality and safety, document control, QMS, and validation, commercial and medical, CRM, medcoms, inquiry tracking. It supports over 50 applications and integrates with your existing tools through open APIs and Veeva's Java SDK. Plus, with Veeva AI, you can automate and analyze data smarter and faster. What makes Vault unique is its compliance-ready design, essential for regulated industries. It offers secure access and role-based permissions, lifecycle workflows to automate processes, real-time reporting and dashboards, support for global collaboration. From R&D to commercial operations, Vault ensures your team stays productive and compliant without the headaches. If you work in life sciences and healthcare and need a reliable way to manage data and documents, Viva Vault might be the solution you've been looking for. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.